Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained you second question, that is simplify the following of exercise 5B, in which we did the multiplication of algebraic expressions. Today we will continue the same exercise and complete question number 3. Question number 3 is multiply the following and verify the result for x is equal to and y is equal 1. So how we will do? See here, I have copied this question here. First we will multiply this trinomial, this given trinomial x square plus 3x minus 6 by x upon 3. We will follow the row method. How we will multiply this x upon 3 multiply by x square, this x upon 3 multiply by this x square, then this plus sign, again this x upon 3 multiply by this 3x, then minus x upon 3 multiply this 6. Now see here no simplification is possible. Here this 3 can be cancelled, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, and here this 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Now multiply it, x multiply x square, it will be x cube upon this 3 plus sign, x multiply x, it will become x square minus x multiply 2, it is 2x. So this is the product which we get after multiplying this trinomial by this monomial. Now we will verify the result. To verify the result, we will write the question and the product both. How? See, if we write it like this, this is x upon 3 multiplied by x square plus 3x minus 6. This is the question and it is its answer, x cube upon 3 plus x square minus 2x. This is its answer. So we will put the value x is equal to in both the side. So when we write in place of x, first we write this x upon 3 as it is, then x square means x multiply x, this plus sign, 3x means 3 multiply x, minus 6 equal x cube means x into x upon this 3 plus x square means x into x, then minus 2x. Minus 2x means minus 2 into x. Once again see it. This is our question, x square plus 3x minus 6 multiplied by this x upon 3, and its answer, its product after multiplying is x cube upon 3 plus x square minus 2x. So we will write this in this form. This is the question. We will write this question in left hand side, then equal, this is its product, that is answer. Now x upon 3, this x square will be written as x into x plus 3x will be written as 3 into x minus 6 equal x cube will be written as x into x into x. We will write this x 3 times upon this upon 3 plus x square means x into x, then minus 2x. Minus 2x means minus 2 into x. Now we will put the value of x. Value of x is given here 2. So we will write 2 upon 3. We have written 2 in place of this x. Then x into x means 2 into 2. Again we have written 2 in place of x plus 3 into 2 minus 6 equal, again write in place of x 2, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2. X into x means 2 into 2 minus 2 into x means 2 into 2. Now 2 upon 3, 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 2 ja 6 minus 6 equal 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 upon 3 plus 2 2 ja 4 minus 2 2 ja 4. Here this plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Here plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Now here it is 2 upon 3 into 4 is equal this 8 upon 3. Now we will multiply this 2 with this 4. 2 4 ja 8. It will become 8 upon 3 is equal 8 upon 3. So you are noticing that both the side, left hand side and right hand side, both values are equal. So we will write left hand side is equal right hand side. And here what is written in the question? See, multiply the following and verify. Here verify is written, so we will write here verified. Now come to its B part. Its B part is x minus y plus 4, then 3x minus 1. Here this is first algebraic expression is trinomial and second is binomial. So again we will multiply this trinomial by binomials first. How we will write? Suppose first I am writing binomial. This is 3x minus 1. This 3x minus 1 I have written first. Then this x minus y plus 4. Now multiply it. This 3x into x minus y plus 4. This one. We are using row method. Minus 1 x minus y plus 4. We have written here first term of first bracket, then second bracket multiplied by second bracket, then second term of first bracket minus 1, again second bracket x minus y plus 4. Now multiply this 3x multiply this x. See, we will write like this: 3x multiply x minus 3x multiply this y plus 3x multiply 4, then this minus 1 multiply by this x. Again there is minus sign out of the bracket, so this sign will become plus 1 multiply y, then this plus will become minus 1 multiply by 4. Again see, this 3x multiply this x minus 3x multiply y, then plus 3x multiply by 4 minus 1 multiply by x. Now this minus will become plus because out of this bracket there is minus sign. So 1 multiply by 5, then this plus will change to minus 1 multiply by 4. Now 3x multiply x, it will become 3x square minus 3x multiply y, 3xy plus 3x multiply 4, 12x, 3 4 ja 12x minus x1 ja x plus y1 ja y minus 4 1 ja 4. Then this 3x square minus 3xy, this plus 12x and minus x, both are like terms, so we will simplify these two terms. It will become plus 11x, then plus y minus 4. So when we multiply these two algebraic expression, our product, our answer is this. Now we will write it like this. See, x minus y plus 4 multiplied by 3x minus 1, its answer is 3x square minus 3xy plus 11x plus y minus 4. This is our question and this is our answer. Now we have to verify this one. We can write here verification. Now put the value of x and y in this line. X is 2 and value of y is minus 1. So student, this is this minus and value of y is minus 1. In place of x, I have written 2 because value of x is equal to and value of y is equal minus 1. So value of x is equal to, then this minus, in place of y we will write minus 1, then plus 4. Student, now these two bracket, we have used here round bracket, so we will use here rectangle bracket. Now here this is 3 into 3x means 3 into x, so 3 into 2 minus 1 equal 3x square means 3 into x minus 3xy means 3 into x into y plus 11x means plus 11 into x plus y minus 4. Now this 2, this minus and minus, it is plus 1 plus 4 like this. Then here 3 2 just 6 minus 1 equal this 3. Now write the value of x and y. 3 into 2 minus 3 into 2 into minus 1 because this is y. Then plus 11x plus 11 into 2 plus this y. Y means minus 1. Then this minus 4 I am writing here. Now 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7. It will become 7. 6 minus 1 5 equal. Now simplify this line also. 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. This is 12. Then up to here this is minus 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. It will become minus 6. 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6 with minus sign, minus 6 and this minus, so it will become plus 6. This plus, now this 11 2 ja 22. This plus with this minus 1, so it will become minus 1, then this minus 4. Now here 7 5 ja, it will be multiply. If between two bracket there is no sign, if between two bracket there is no sign, it means multiplication. So it will be 7 into 5 equal. We will add these three terms and we will solve these two terms. 12 plus 6 18, 18 and 22 40. See here, 12 plus 6 18, 18 and 2 20, 20 plus 20 40. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. 7 5 ja 35 is equal 40 minus 5 35. Both the sides are equal. Left hand side is equal right hand side, so it is verified. In first part also write here verification. Now our exercise 5B is finished. Come to next exercise, that is division. There are three types of division in this exercise. First is division of a monomial by a monomial, when we divide a monomial by a monomial. Second category is division of a binomial or a trinomial by a monomial. And third is division of polynomial with many terms by another polynomial with many terms. So in first question there are first two categories. Let us start. So this is our exercise 5C, division of algebraic expressions. See here. First question, divide the following its A part is minus 18p by 18. We have to divide this minus 18p by 18. See, minus 18p is a monomial and this 18 is also a monomial. It means this is the division of monomial by a monomial. Here we have to divide a monomial by a monomial. First we will write it with division sign. This minus 18p divided by this 18. Now we will do it, we will write it like this, in this way, minus 18p upon 18. It is, we will do it as we do simple division. If I am writing, see here students, if I am writing suppose 12 divided by minus 4, how we will write it? We will write it 12 upon minus 4. Then 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. In the same way, we will write it first minus 18p divided by this 18. Then minus 18p upon 18. This 18 can be simplified. 18 1 is 18, 18 1 is 18. It means this minus 1, we will not write 1 in algebra. So minus p. Our answer is this minus p. Second part is 11p square by minus p square. Here we have to divide this 11p square by minus p square. We can write it like this. We have to divide this 11p square with minus p square. Again write it in the form of p upon q. 11p square upon minus p square. Here minus p square is cancelled. This minus sign will be, we will write it with 11. So it quotient is minus 11. Answer is minus 11. Then C part. In C part we have to divide 22FGH by minus 11. We have to divide 22FGH by minus 11. We will write it 22FGH upon minus 11. So 11 1 is 11, 11 2 is 22. Then our answer will be this minus sign. We will write with this 2 minus 2FGH. Clear? Now here 8 upon 15 x cube y square. We have to divide 8 upon 15 x cube y square by 4 upon 3 x y square. So how we will write it? Let us see. Yes, we will write it like this. See, first we will write this 8 upon 15 x cube y square. We will write it like this. See, 8 upon 15 x cube y square. Then we will write multiplication sign in place of this divide. This divide we will change to multiply, and then we will write reciprocal of this term. This is 4xy square upon 3. We will write it 3 upon 4xy square. Again, see, we have to divide 8 upon 15 x cube y square by 4 upon 3 xy square. So first term will be written as it is, 8 upon 15 x cube y square. Then change this divide sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of second term. It is 4xy square upon 3. We will write it 3 upon 4xy square. Now see, we can simplify this. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Now it is 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. This is 1 upon 1. Leave this 1 upon 1. It is x cube y square upon this xy square will be with this xy square. Now 2x cube y square means क्या हो, what will be 2 into x into x into x. We will write this x 3 times. Then y into y 2 times. We have written y into y 2 times. Now 5 into x into y into y. This is x and we will write this y 2 times. Now x cancel, y cancel, y cancel. So what is our answer? 2 upon 5 x square. And other way is also, students, in other way we subtract the powers of literal factors. How? See here, I will tell other way in this part. Here again first we will write, we have to divide minus 49 upon 50 y cube z square by 7 upon 10 z square. It will be read as minus 49 y cube z square upon 50 divided by 7 z square upon 10. Again we will write it in this form, minus 49 y cube z square upon 50. Then change this division sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of this. It will become 10 upon 7 z square. Simplify it, 10 1 is 10, 10 5 is 50, 7 1 is 7, 7 7 is 49. And here no need to subtract, we can cancel, we can simplify this z square with this z square. Z square cancel. Then what is our answer? What is the question? Minus 7 upon 5 y cube. Minus 7 upon 5 y cube. Clear? Then next part, F part. In F part it is minus 12 upon 58 y cube z square by minus 36 upon 29 yz. First we will write in division form. We have to divide minus 12 y cube z square upon 58. Minus 12 y cube z square upon 58 divided by minus 36 yz upon 29. Then minus 12 y cube z square upon 58. Change this division into multiplication. Then reciprocal, 29 upon minus 36 yz. Students see, minus minus cancel, 12 1 is 12, 12 3 is 36, 29 1 is 29, 29 2 is 58. Now what is left here? 1. 1 means y cube z square upon this 2. Then 1 upon 3 yz. 1 upon 3 yz. Student, here see, I can explain that subtraction method. Here this is y power 3 y cube and it is y power 1. We will subtract this y power 1 from this y cube. Then z square minus this is z power 1. This will be considered as z power 1. If there is no power, suppose it is written only x, it means x power 1. It is y power 1. So this is y power 1, z power 1. It is in denominator. We will take it from denominator into numerator, then power will be subtracted. So y cube minus this y power 1, z square, then this z power minus 1 upon 2 3 is 6. So our answer is, here what will be left? Y square 3 minus 1 2, y square z 2 power minus 1 means z power 1. We will write only z upon 6. It can be written as 1 upon 6 y square z. Clear? So students, today we will do up to its F part. Exercise 5C, question number 1 up to F part. Remaining parts we will do in the next class. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.